Okay, this next exercise is called the Oyster, and it's really about maintaining that pressure and the alignment in your trunk while you perform sort of an extra strong abdominal contraction. So from here, we're going to start again with the elevator. Give me a push-up, good, ribs stay down, neck stays long. Arms are going to reach up to the ceiling, keeping the palms facing each other, shoulders relaxed, elbows relaxed. Lifting one knee at a time so the knees point to the ceiling. Good, very good. And in this movement, what we're trying to do is move the top half of the body up and the bottom half of the body up so we meet in the lumbar spine. So ideally, depending on the surface you're on, you'll be reaching up so that your lumbar spine, the low vertebrae in your spine, will be pushing onto the floor. The head is lifted, shoulders should be relaxed away from the ears, very good, and the pelvis should be lifted too. The hands are reaching between the knees toward the ankles, and the feet need to be pointed to the wall, not to the ceiling. And relax. So you're going to hold it for about 5 seconds, and then you're going to come down. Your knees are going to drop just to about here, and then you're going to repeat ribs, pressure in the stomach, as you lift up, trying to get both sides up off the table. Really nice. Really good. One more time. Tyler's doing a great job keeping those ribs down, keeping that neck and head aligned. Very good. Hold. Shoulders relaxed. Good. And relax. All the way down.